Good evening to all. Now, one major thing is 2 days back, JEE means notification released. But unlike the last years, this year major change occurred. What are the changes occurred means? First change occurred is around 20 to 22% syllabus is reduced. 20 to 22% of syllabus is reduced. What is the impact of that? I will explain. Second point, major, he told that NTA director in an interview with the reporter, clearly he told that the syllabus will be reduced. Before notification only he told syllabus will be reduced and the mains examination this time will be conducted in a lighter note. What's the meaning? What is that impact? Third point, 75 days are there. What to do in these 75 days? Fourth point, the center they told that nearest to the student address they will go. Fifth point, they told that the result will be declared on February 12th. Now, clearly all the days around, then each topic will decide or discuss what happened after reduction, what changes will occur. Because already I told that the JEE means target, how to do, how to prepare 1 month back. So, along with that, very quickly I will tell that 5 minutes. Then later I will go to the impact of the syllabus reduction. So what does that mean? Mainly by means of the JEE means. This is one of the major exam a student of intermediate or +2 will write, because this will give an opportunity to write the IIT advanced. That is, 2.5 lakh students will be screened and they are allowed to write the advanced exam based on this. First point. Next, by means of JEE means rank, various colleges seats will be filled. One is through the advanced IIT advanced examination, you are right. And if you have selected around 17,130 seats are there in IIT. If not, by JEE means you can join in a National Institute of Technology. Around 24,000 seats are there throughout the nation, including Warangal, including Tadepaligudam, including Tiruchirappalli, Surathkal, Calicut, like that. Important colleges I'm talking. Next point is triple IT. Through the JEE means only triple IT. Triple IT, Thiruvananthapuram, triple IT, Jalandhar, triple IT, Nagpur, triple IT, Kurnool, triple IT, Allahabad, triple IT, Kanchipuram, Dharwad, so many are there. So around 7,500 seats are there in triple IT. Next, along with this, there are some central funded institutes. Central funded institutes, around 6,500 seats are there. All these are filled by means of JEE means marks and the percentage. That is the percentage. So next thing, along with this, one more important point is B category seats. In our state level, particularly in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, if we take top 10 colleges, they are using the JEE means ranks to fill their seats in a B category. B category does not mean that fees is different. So whatever the fees is there for the CBIT or Vasavi or VNR Vignan Jyoti or whatever the Geetam, etc. So I'm talking about the colleges. So in this, whatever the fees is there, same fees, but not through MSET, they will fill by JEE means also. And luckily this time they told that the B category seats actually independently they used to fill in the colleges separately by separate notification. But this time onward, B category also filled by online mode only. By online mode only. By purely JEE means marks. Same MSET convener fees will be there. I am not talking about management quota. Management quota is different. In lakhs it is running. That is different. Depending upon the college, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, that is different. I am talking about the normal seat. In a good colleges, the normal B category seat can be obtained by JEE main marks. JEE main marks in percentage. Be careful in this. So, means along with this, some other colleges are there. Let us imagine Koneru Lakshmaya KL College, which is there in Vijayawada and Hyderabad. There are Geetam College in 4 places, SRM College, WIT, Amrita, all these prestigious colleges also, they are filling their seats by their respective entrances and also along with the JEE mains rank also some seats they are allotting. Means JEE mains rank has got that much of opportunities in different colleges. So that this is a very important point. JEE main rank, JEE means examination. You have right. You have to get a good percentage. That is very much useful in a broad way in so many colleges. It is useful. So for that purpose, already I told these 2 months intermediate or CBSE +1 or +2 what you are writing, you keep aside. CBSE +2 or whatever that +2 examination you are writing or intermediate +2 second year you are writing, you keep that subject, keep aside. Only prepare objective. Only prepare objective examination. That is the particular up to days are not advanced level also. First examination which is to be held from January 24 to February 1st is the most important. Most important. If we get a good rank, good percentage, not rank, good percentage and good marks, automatically in January and means February, you can do totally IP, intermediate public examinations, subject purpose you can prepare, March also you can prepare. Then simultaneously, those who are targeting advance, they can prepare advance in February, March also, April, May also. Correct. So that is the thing. Means these 2 months intermediate keep aside and prepare JEE means objective orientation only. That to major chapters. All chapters till now you have done it. But now in an examination point of view. And remember carefully, those who are getting in math, physics 80, chemistry 70, in maths 40 to 45 is equivalent up to last year. This year they told a lighter note they may give, but maybe lighter note does not indicate that all the questions will be in a lighter note. Only thing is 2 or 3 questions in each subject maybe a little easier they may give. Till now, out of 30 questions, around 10 to 12 questions in math, they are up to a level of average student. Now, up to 15 questions may be easy for the average student, like that they will give. So, lighter is not easy. I'm talking that instead of 10 to 12 questions, moderate art can say up to average level student they used to do every year. This year, another 2, 3 questions extra they can do like that they will do. So, depending upon that models, you have to prepare in a particular manner. And remember carefully, percentile here they are calculating after normalization. They clearly indicate that 80 marks in the last year averages to take 80 marks out of 100 given a 99 percentile, where 70 marks in the chemistry has given a 99 percentile, and in maths 40 to 45 marks given as a 99 percentile. That is the difference. So even though paper is hard, relatively speaking, it is same. But all previous year questions, if you take 2020, 21, 22, 23, you will, while you are practicing it, you will think that it's a very difficult, very difficult paper. Very difficult, but all are relatively same. The percentage are same. So if you are getting 80 in physics or 45 in math is same, then percentage is same. So don't worry about that. By observing the previous paper, definitely you have to do 2020, 21, 22, 23 previous year question paper. Definitely you see that in each paper around 15 questions easily you are eligible to do. Around 10 to 12, now you easily can attempt 15 questions. 15 question preparation is enough. 15 question preparation means 60 marks you will get out of 100. A wonderful score you will get. Wonderful score you will get. So 60 marks preparation you will do. You will attempt it, but you may get 40 or 45 or 50. Around 50 you will get. It is enough. Easy means around 50 you will get. Easy, a good rank. So that you have to keep in mind. So what I am talking about this means this year the change of the syllabus. So what impact it will make? The major thing is, I am repeating again, the 2 months, 75 days are there now onwards. Keep intermediate as it is aside, and up to now onwards, November 2nd or 3rd to the December end, try to do objective orientation of all the chapters and clearly point to point whatever the syllabus is deleted, don't do that. Don't do that. I the syllabus also what is deleted. So don't do that. Now, what happened? A point to point that syllabus which is there, and out of that which is important also I'll tell that topics you prepare well. Means already 20% syllabus is deleted. Another 10% you leave it hard. Remaining 70% prepare. 70% prepare. You will get a 60% you can attempt. 50% mark you will get. You will get a wonderful. Remember carefully, I'm repeating. 80% syllabus only there. 10% hard syllabus like integration, like binomial theorem. Some people will feel hard. Leave it. Probability, leave it. Remaining 70% only prepare. 100% thoroughly. Already all chapter you prepared one time, but thoroughly preparing only 70%. Getting 60%, you can attempt 60%. You will get a 50% mark. More than enough. More than enough to get a 100% or 99.9%. So that is it should be your aim. And now, once again, if you take for the cutoff purposes, IIT advanced cutoff purpose, some minimum marks are required. Last time, 90.77 percentile is the last year cutoff for the general category students. General category student, it is around 95 marks, plus or minus 5. Hard paper, 90 marks only. Easy paper, it is hard paper, I am repeating again, to get the 90.77, 95 marks on an average, a student if you get, is qualified. Out of 300 marks, out of 300. If it is easy paper, 100 marks. If it is a hard paper, 90 marks. Those who got 90 in a hard paper, they got this percentage. Those who got easy paper, they got this percentage. Average paper, they got the same percentage. So that you have to keep. For a general category student, this is the 95 marks is the enough. 95 marks. By 4 you do. That is nothing but, if you observe very carefully, around 24 questions. Out of 90 questions, they will give an MPC. 20 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 20 plus 10. 20 questions, numerically out of 10, 5 you attempt. 20 questions, multiple choice, and 10 is the numerically based. Out of that, 5 you attempt. Out of 90 questions, if we can attempt 24 questions, you are eligible for the advance in the last year. But to get a good seed, you have to get around 180 to 190 marks. 180 to 190 marks you have to get the above 99.3%. If you get 180 to 190 marks, plus or minus 10, depending upon hard or easy paper, you will get a prestigious colleges, computer science in NIT, Warangal, or Tiruchirappalli, or Surat, etc. Where those who are OBC or etc. category, if they get around 140 marks also, they will get a good score. That is it. So this is next point. If you wanted the seat in any NIT, let us imagine a below average student, any NIT, like Sikkim, Jalandhar, Nagaland, etc. This much of mark, no need. If you get just you qualify around 91%, 90%, you get the computer seat in a NIT, but not good colleges. But if you are getting a 94, that means you are getting a general category student, 180 marks is a good marks for getting a good prestigious computer science in a good college. Whereas around 140 to 150, they will get a triple ITs. They will get a triple ITs. If they get a 90 to 92, a college of the NIT will get, but not a good college, like Jalandhar, Sikkim, Jammu Kashmir, etc. That is the for OBC students already I told. Instead of 180 marks, they may get 140 to 145. It's enough to get into a good colleges. This is the category. So in the preparation mode also you have to do like that. In a OBC and what is that called as EWS. The last year cutoffs are 75.6 per OBC category and 73.6 per EWS OBC. This is nothing but around 80 marks and around 77 marks. Those who got 80 marks in OBC, he qualified for the advance. Those who got 77 marks in EWS category, he qualified in the advanced purpose as qualification only, not getting seat, I'm telling first only. Next, whereas Those who got 70 marks around 70 to 72, SC student they qualified. Around 50 marks or 54 marks, SC student qualified in the last year examination. So this is about the cutoff. So depending upon this, your preparation should be there. Now, so before going to the reduced syllabus talking, discussion about every topic under due to reduction of the syllabus, what topics are more preferred, which topics you may get more marks I will tell. But before that, important topics in mathematics, three-dimensional geometry, vector algebra. In this also some parts are deleted. I will explain about that. Next, matrix and determinant. Here also some syllabus is deleted. And next is the maximum minimum, tangent normal. Tangent normal is deleted. Now, circles, conic sections, important easy topics I'm talking. And inverse trigonometry, LCD, limits, continuity, differentiability, statistics, relations, and permutation combination. This is the and differential equation. This is the order of easy to hard I'm talking. And some people may feel very hard in integral calculus and binomial theorem and probability. Whereas in chemistry, if you take majority of the dry subjects are deleted luckily this time. But in general, important syllabus in the chemistry, if you take atomic structure, chemical bonding, periodic configuration, and D block element, complex compounds, complex compound, and another thing is chemical equilibrium, chemical kinetics, and basic organic chemistry, aldehydes, ketones, alcohol, phenols, ether, and say polymer deleted, biomolecule deleted, everyday chemistry life deleted. Now, if you take basic organic chemistry is important. Next, solutions. So all these are the important topics. Next, in the physics, if you take units and measurements, rotatory motion, gravitation, and next is solid state, vectors, communication system, elasticity, surface tension, viscosity, kinetic theory of gases, electrostatic, AC current, and EM, that is electromagnetic induction, electromagnetic induction waves. All these are the important topics. But now coming to due to reduction, what will play a role? Now you see what difference occurs due to the reduction in syllabus. So now very carefully you say, one thing is mathematical induction related syllabus is deleted. No problem. Next point. Here, Rolle's Lagrange's mean value theorem, tangent normal, means in AOD, it is an application of derivative. They deleted Lagrange's theorem, Rolle's theorem, tangent normal. So now a clear indication that limits derivatives, you will get the more questions. They used to give one question in limits derivative and maximum of 1, tangent normal 1. Now, because tangent normal is not there, definitely you will get limits and derivative, one question compulsory in limits, one question compulsory in derivative, and another question is maximum compulsory, and one more extra question in limits and derivative will come. Means 4 questions will expected. Next point, if we take a 3-dimensional geometry, in general, most important topic, compulsory questions, 2 questions are coming in the vector algebra 2 and 3D 2 in general. But now in the 3-dimensional geometry, coordinate system is there, DRS DCs is there, line is there, but plane and line relations are not there. Which are typical part? Typical part is deleted. So now you have to concentrate more on DCs and DRS, compulsory question will come. Even though it's easy, DCs and DRS compulsory question and one line question directly will come because interrelated to plane, line, coplanar, intersection, put of the perpendicular from the plane to the line, all that is deleted. So clearly one question comes from DRS and DCs, one will come from the 3D lines, it's a must now. Next, luckily, vector product is deleted. Indicate that they used to give 2 questions. So vector, addition of vector, starting properties of vector. So the properties of vector, linear combination of vector, linearly dependent, coplanarity, conditions, internal angular bisectors. Next, you know cross product, unit vector of the cross product. All that projection of A and B, B on A, definitely will come this time. Next, in the random distribution, there are random variable and Bernoulli trial and binomial distribution is deleted. Means random distribution, there is a chance of getting a question because it is a small topic, perfectly prepared. Random distribution contains mean of a random variable, variance of a random variable, and say standard deviation of a random variable. Very easy questions on a tabular column, intermediate also important. That question prepare thoroughly, luckily it may come. Now, here another important. Heights and distance and trigonometric equation are deleted. Clearly, it indicates that in trigonometry they used to do give two questions. Most of the time, inverse trigonometry, trigonometric equation, and the solution of triangles and heights and distance. That is deleted. So what happens means trigonometric equation also deleted. This time I am telling that one question from inverse trigonometric function is a must. You will get one from a starting. That is nothing but trigonometry identities up to transformation. One question may come, and inverse trigonometry one question. Trigonometry inverse is a must. If they wanted to give two questions, they will give from identity. Mathematical reasoning is deleted. It's a clear indication. Statistics, one question. Sets and relation, one question will come. It's a compulsory. So this is the thing you have to remember. Similarly, if we take in the physics, geostationary satellite, Carnot engine, Doppler effect in sound, all these are deleted. So clearly indicate that some important topics are deleted. Example, radioactivity, alpha, beta, gamma particles and rays. So after removal of the radioactivity, atomic physics, nuclear physics, definitely one question, easy question. You have to read, it is a theoretical question, line to line of the book you read, you will get easily one question there. And in the transistors, junction diodes are eliminated. So the other part of the syllabus in that chapter is very less. Easily you can do. Communication system is deleted. So definitely what happens, as these are deleted, you will get the question compulsory in electromagnetic waves, electrostatics in that mode. In that mode. Already they are giving, but one question extra will come there. So, and luckily, if you take in the chemistry, particularly S block element, P block element, starting part only is there, remaining are deleted. So this clearly indicates that say D block, that is a complex compound compulsory question. D block and complex compound compulsory question, and one more question, extra question will come in a basic organic. Organic chemistry this time more weightage will be there. Organic chemistry, more weightage will be there. That too, basic organic chemistry, which contains the type of reactions, reagents, isomerism, starting part, naming, IUPAC naming, common naming, their structure, and alkanes, hydrocarbons, haloalkanes, all this. And the next second year part also, aldehydes, ketones, ethers, alcohols, phenols will come. Because totally this time organic will be more. And next, polymers is deleted. Chemistry in every day is deleted. That indicates that biomolecules you will get compulsory question. So very carefully observe it, because the three chapters, the environmental chemistry deleted, polymer deleted, chemistry in every day. So biomolecule theoretical chapter you read thoroughly. And chemistry, that too, NCERT book or line to line, if you read, you will have a much advantage. So remember carefully these topics. If we want also the deleted topics, I can send you by WhatsApp 900994580. Clearly in this, I will send the deleted topics and what are the important topics, etc. I will send. You can WhatsApp me. So keep in your mind, 2 months you study very well for 60 days, topic wise. Except deleted topics, you prepare thoroughly, and in January 1st onwards up to 20th, you do PYQs. PYQs, nothing but previous year question and answer. And the grand test you write that time, not now onwards. First, give preference to preparation, later exams. January 1 to 20th, for the part test you write, grand test you write, 3, 4, no problem. But now onwards, writing waste. Now only prepare. 2 months preparation, 60 days. Another 15 to 20 days, writing the exam. And previous year questions you have to do. That you have to keep in mind, and all the best for